Okay, so this is how you make a paper catapult. Okay, okay. I already have it pre-folded just for the ease. So you're gonna take this side, fold it over about an inch, more than an inch, but then take the top and fold it just about the same. They're almost the same. Okay, and flip it over. Fold this back, and then flip it back over. Open this up, and you'll see it comes back out as like a catapult thing. Okay, so now you have to make the rest of it. So open it up and take it to where it's set down. Go here, and there you go. Okay, so almost done. Now make sure you don't flatten this. Just kind of keep it like that. Okay, so, and then fold it about like that. Lift this thing, this thing up and flatten it over here. Okay. Flatten it down there too. And then last but not least, take this, fold it down, both sides. Okay, so, and then to fire it, open both sides up, and fire it. Okay, so next big ball, just do it like you would anything. Crumble up a little piece of paper, and put it in the catapult, and fire. Don't expect it to go very far. It doesn't go very far at all. Only went to the edge of the table. But it's pretty good for a little paper thing. So, yeah, that's about it. Thanks. Bye.